All right, so in the lab, got a little bit of hard seltzer, aka White Claw. Got Sour Patch Kids, but today, guess what? They're not gonna be for the kids. They're gonna be for you because we're making some cool things here in the lab. To get to this hard seltzer, we actually need to infuse using these Sour Patch Kids into some vodka. So first and foremost, we need to separate them. So we'll play like a little bit of a Monopoly game. I'm just gonna put reds to the right. Got the grape, got the orange. Orange is actually my favorite color. I think that's passion fruit, tropical. Going fast, going fast. Tetris, Nintendo 64, Mario Kart. And now for the last one, all in. All right, so now I have all my 4 flavors, and now I need to go get something that you're gonna find pretty interesting. All right, so back with a little bit of vodka and also some glasses. So what you're gonna do here, you're just gonna take, you don't have to put them all in, so if I don't make them all, do not be hating on me. I know who you are out there. I do play basketball, number 2, but do not be hating on me. All right, so you're gonna take them, and we need to infuse. You can take Absolute, I like Absolute. So we're gonna pour it in, go pretty quickly, just to show you. All right, so now I'm just gonna finish off this one here. And what you're doing is infusing flavor. Now here's the long and hard part, and it's the thing that you probably don't like. This takes about 3 days. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab 1, grab 2, grab 3, and now it's time to serve up something. Let's go. All right, 1 day after letting this sit. All right, so I might've been a server. Whenever you're doing this, be very, very careful. So I got this done. So I wanna show you this. You're not really seeing a lot of different color, has not actually changed. You're still clear, and this is after 1 day. But I wanna show you this real quick. It's already starting to break down. So you see the color? And so that's what's happening. I want you to come here to this one. You see this one a little bit more clear. So this is the purple. All the flavor that is on the inside of this is actually going to be infused into the now vodka that we have here. What is that? So that's not only color, but also the flavor being infused into the vodka. And so this is what's happening, is the alcohol is actually breaking down the Sour Patch Kids. So they're not any more sour, they're a little bit more sweet. And you really can't see much with the pineapple, but don't forget about the pineapple, guys. Now I need to let these guys rest for another 2 days. Infusion with vodka. All right, so now I have this after 3 days, but it's now time to show you actually how to do a hard seltzer. So for what is in a White Claw, you gotta have a little bit of juice. So we're gonna go with a little bit of lemon juice right in. Pretty easy, huh? If you don't want it to be overpowering, you're gonna add some sugar. And we're going for sugar in the raw here, just a FYI. Voila. And now we need to go in with our vodka. So I'm gonna pour this in right in front of you. And I'm gonna go in my vodka flavored water. I'm gonna put all those in there as well. Don't worry about that. All right, but now to actually make a hard seltzer, you need to have seltzer water. And so we're adding just regular water. You can do no gas water because it's already got it in there. All right, so we're gonna go up to where about the limit is on the outside of the can, because if not, it's too pressurized. All right, very, very easy from there. Guys, I have a siphon. Again, this is a little bit of a dangerous part. Just make sure you don't overfill it. All right, from here, cartridge, boom, zombie land, do the little tap. Gotta hear it. Sound like a pig. I don't know about this. All right, give it a shake for 10 seconds. And now whenever you're making this recipe, especially seeing that we did 4 different ones, this is gonna make for about 3 drinks, just FYI. And after that, we're good to go. But let's see. You hear all the juice coming out? Oh God. Okay, let me go get a glass. It's time to let it go. So this is a little trick that you do. So this is kind of let it out so that you don't fizz it. And look, there you go, guys. We got some fizzy hard seltzer. Look at that. Gas everywhere. Look at the color also. You see that? Look at that, fruit punch. I like it. All right, but now we're not done because we are making a new product, right? All right, so that means we actually have to fill it. And so now I have my White Claw can. We're gonna fill it up. I'm gonna go big here. Don't let it overflow. Just like that. Give it a knock, 1 or 2, and boom, look what I have here. We have the first ever White Claw Sour Patch Kids, you know what I mean, tropical. It's a little cool, I'm not gonna lie. And look at the little guy on the right side, he's smiling, he's blue, he likes it. All right, so I found my friend Oscar. So Oscar, I wanna tell you something. I created a product that you probably never heard of. Okay. So I have White Claw mixed with Sour Patch Kids.
Okay.
So what do you think about it first?
I've got to try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And first off, it's actually tropical because I'm a little bit, one of those people. So,
all right.
Ooh, sounds good already. So as always, you gotta serve others first.
All right, thank
We're
you.
gonna pour in, not gonna go too much. Now seeing that these are pretty cool ice cubes as well, I put gummy bears in them, so I'm pretty excited about it, aka Sour Patch Kids. All right, so I'm gonna finish that off. Gotta show you the can, of course. Now Oscar, seeing that you're not really the guinea pig, but you are the guinea pig,
Yeah.
you gotta taste it. But also, seeing that we're doing Sour Patch Kids, it has to be sour first and then sweet. So that's why I have the lemon here. So rub the rim of your glass with it, and then you're gonna get the sour and then the sweet after.
Ooh,
So
nice little hack there.
I try every
that.
time. Tested it before.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good.
Really good. So
Yeah.
is it sour and sweet?
Both. Best of both worlds.
Do you think it's better than a White Claw?
Totally.
Make sure to share, make sure to subscribe if you would like. But we'll see you next time here in the lab.